You can be next.
And work on my report that I'll turn in tomorrow afternoon.
Here's your report about the workshop?
Yeah.
All right.
That'd be good, huh? Yeah.
All right. Now let's stop just a minute to move up this way. Wait a minute, let me get around here. Move a little moment this way. Now as you tilt your head to look down, it first moves up this way, and this part of your body moves up this way. Now you move from your hinge there to get a little bit forward so that you don't curve this way.
I should be closer to the table.
So, first of all, let's move off. Let's get set back to the chair for a minute. All right? Now you want to do your work. So, wait a minute. As you look down at your paper, your hands go up at the same time. So this moves, there you are. Now, and you've lost a little tight tension here as you did that. So as you continue to write, let this part of your body move in that direction. And then all of this continues, and what does that feel like?
Feels like I'm breathing.
Yes, sir, you are. And it's rather pleasant to be breathing, isn't it? And all of this will gradually move up, and you'll breathe, and you'll get this part of your body moving, this joint, so you have more flexibility with your hands and arms in the work you want to do. And you move on up here. And what does that do for you?
I'm just going to use all the oxygen in this room with this breathing. Yeah, that's...
Say all of that gives you more room inside. See, this is where everybody writes. Yes.
Okay. It'll be a marvelous report.
All right. I hope it will. All right. No, you can be next.
Okay.